Last week we had some Christmas crafting fun with Frankie's playgroup buddies. We made these white chocolate Christmas tree brownie bites, a very delicious Christmas treat. We start off with some white chocolate, break the bar into smaller blocks. This is a fun activity to do with a little one. My 6-year-old son loves helping me out in the kitchen, and he loves doing these fun activities with me. Now that we've broken the bar into little chunks, we put the whole container in the microwave and heat it for about 60 seconds. I have found that microwaving the chocolate is less messy and gives it a better consistency. Keep microwaving the chocolate every 60 seconds until all the blocks are melted. Now it's time to add in the green dye to make the green Christmas trees. Add about 10 to 15 drops and mix it all in. Actually, this is a good time to bring in a little helper. My son Frankie actually really loves this part. There you go, little buddy. Give it a good little mix. We use silicone molds to make the green Christmas trees. The mold is pretty flexible, so it'll be easy to remove the Christmas trees once they've hardened. If you would like to buy this particular mold, I will provide a link in the description below. I found a big plastic Tupperware container in my kitchen that I'm going to be using to stabilize the mold. I also had to use some skewers to add some more stability. Now it's time to fill in the mold. You want to do this quickly before the chocolate hardens. Fill the chocolate all the way to the top and beyond. You can use a butter knife to smooth the top a little bit. The next step is critical to get a nice solid chocolate tree. You want to make sure that the mold has chocolate also at the tip, so the top of the tree has an actual top. We do this by gently tapping on the mold to get out the air bubbles and also to fill in the tip of the mold. Next step is to put the chocolate in the refrigerator for about a couple of hours. After a couple of hours, it should be hardened enough to remove it from the mold. A gentle tap and it should peel right off. I am actually going to need both hands to do this, so excuse me for a few minutes. The white chocolate green Christmas trees came out so beautifully. To clean the mold, just put it in the sink with some really hot soapy water. Letting it soak for like 15 minutes should melt the remaining chocolate that wasn't able to peel off. Now comes the fun part, decorating the Christmas tree. The kids at Frankie's playgroup really enjoyed this activity. We start off with a brownie bite, and we put the green Christmas tree that we made on top of the brownie bite. The brownie bites are made by using a brownie mix. Follow the instructions on here and use a muffin pan to make the brownies in. I gave the kids a choice to put the chocolate Christmas tree on white snow using frosting as the snow, or added in some green dye to make some green grass for the tree to sit on. The kids had so much fun using a butter knife to add the white snow or the green grass under the Christmas tree. The next step was using sprinkles as ornaments on the Christmas tree. You can use the same frosting to act as a glue to add the individual sprinkle onto the Christmas tree. The kids can get so creative with it. There's so many different sprinkles and fun sprinkles out there for them to use. They can even add some dazzle dust to add that little bit of magic to the Christmas tree. If you want to buy any of these ingredients for your brownie bite Christmas tree, I will provide them in the link below in the description. Now let's see our finished product. We went with the white snow and used snowflakes and gold sprinkles as the ornaments. This is such a fun Christmas activity to do with your kid. Comment below how would your child decorate their brownie bite Christmas tree.